In a cozy corner of the world, a curious little girl stumbles upon a mysterious map in her backyard. With a furrowed brow, she realizes a missing piece in the puzzle, her eyes wide with wonder. Gathering her closest companions, they huddle together to decipher the cryptic clues, minds buzzing with excitement. Ideas fly like butterflies in the air, as the group unites in a flurry of problem-solving and teamwork. With determination etched on her face, she embarks on the final leg of the adventure, following the map's instructions. A tender moment unfolds as she reads the heartfelt message left behind, a treasure more precious than any jewel. Love and gratitude fill the air as they stand united, the bonds of friendship and kinship stronger than ever before. As the day fades into dusk, she reflects on the lessons learned and the memories created, her heart full and spirit enriched. In the tapestry of life, she discovers that the true treasure lies not in gold or silver, but in the joy of the journey and the treasure of love.